Hi, my name is Jennifer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add two polynomials together. So grab a pencil and some paper and work through these problems with me. Take the problem 2x squared plus 4 plus 3x squared minus 3. Now, to add polynomials is a lot like adding integers, except we're going to be very careful of which two numbers we add together. Okay? Notice that the first term is an x squared, and the first term in the second polynomial is also an x squared. Because they have the same variable and the same exponent, we can add these two together. So we can add 2x squared plus 3x squared for a total of 5x squared. And we can do the same thing with these constant numbers. We have positive 4 plus negative 3. A positive 4 plus negative 3 is a positive 1. We also need to check if our answer is in descending order. We have a 5x squared plus 1 is in descending order, so this is our answer. Let's try another example. Okay. Let's take, this is a trinomial plus a trinomial. This trinomial is 3 plus 4x squared minus x plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x squared. Now I want to point out something before we begin solving this. Notice that these two problems are in different orders. In this trinomial, the constant number comes first, while over in the second trinomial, the constant is second. To simplify things, it might be to your advantage to put both of these trinomials in descending order before we start adding them. This first trinomial would be 4x squared minus x plus 3. The second trinomial is 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now both of them are in descending order according to their exponents. Okay. Next, we will add the coefficients of the like terms. 4x squared can be added to 2x squared for a total of 6x squared. Minus x, if you can't see a coefficient out there, we can consider a 1 is there, so a minus 1x plus 2x is a positive 1x. Again, you can put the 1 coefficient there or you can leave it off. And then our constants, we have a positive 3 plus a negative 3. And for this problem, that equals a 0. So our final answer is 6x squared plus x. And let me show you one more example. Okay, in this example, we have the trinomial 5x plus x cubed minus 6 plus the trinomial 4x squared plus 2x minus 3. Like the example before, I'm going to suggest that you put both trinomials in descending order. This trinomial, the highest exponent is a 3, so we're going to put the x cubed term first, followed by the 5x, and the minus 6. Our second trinomial is in order. Next, we will combine like terms according to their variable and their exponent. Okay? We have an x cubed in our first trinomial, but notice that we do not have an x cubed in our second trinomial. So there is nothing to combine it with. It's almost like saying x cubed plus 0x cubed. So it's going to remain just as an x cubed. Okay? Now we're going to maintain descending order. And we've already looked ahead. We do have a 4x squared in our second trinomial. But again, notice that we do not have a 4x squared in our first trinomial. We don't have an x squared term. So the same thing applies. It's almost like adding a 0x squared plus this 4x squared, which just remains a positive 4x squared. Next, we're going to go to our terms that just contain a single x, which is positive 5x and a positive 2x. And that gives us a positive 7x. And last, our constants, we have a negative 6 plus a negative 3, which is a negative 9. So this polynomial is our final answer to this problem. If you have any other questions, please contact your professor or stop by the Math Tutoring Lab or watch this video again. Thank you.